Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting right away. Make sure your computer or phone is connected to the router's network. Once connected, open the tool you'll use on Windows Launch Command Prompt, on Mac OS Open Terminal or Network Preferences, and on Linux Open Terminal. Identify the active adapter so you know which connection to inspect. You'll also note your device's IP4 address and subnet mask because those values tell you which gateway to look for. Keep them visible as you move to the next step. Now find the router's IP, called the default gateway. On Windows, type ipconfig and read the default gateway line under the active adapter. That's the router IP. On Mac OS or Linux, use netstat rn or IP route show. Look for the gateway for your interface. On iOS or Android, open Wi-Fi details and locate the router or gateway field. You're doing this because the gateway is the address your device uses to reach the router's admin interface. Copy it exactly for the next action. Type the gateway IP into your browser's address bar and hit enter to load the router's admin page. Use HTTPS if available. Once the page appears, log in with the router credentials or reset the password if necessary. If nothing loads, try common defaults like 192, 168, 0, 1, 192, 168, 1, 1 or 10, 0, 0, 1, and clear your browser cache. Troubleshooting tip. If you cannot reach the router, reboot it and your device, then check for IP address conflicts or local firewall rules that may block access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.